1970s classic we have here at Unique Specialty in Classics. This one is a cruiser, folks. 1972 Pontiac Catalina, two-door hardtop or two-door sport coupe. Original color of this car, Springfield green, paint code number 43, green interior. It appears that it has had a repaint, but boy, did they do a nice job on it. You do not see paint lines, overspray. It really turned out nice in this car. Take a look at the front. Chrome grille, headlight surrounds. As you can see there, Pontiac 400. V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. I actually got the thermometer on it. It blows around the 50-degree range, so not going to have any problem staying cool in this one in the summer. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. Check out all the still pics on our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Pontiac Motor Division wheel covers, white wall radials. You can see nice reflection coming off that paint. Black vinyl top. Also how this car would have been produced back in 1972. Cloth and vinyl interior, believed to be original miles. Interior also looks original. Take a look at that dash. You notice the 8-track I have down there. On the floor, AM FM Delco radio with 8-track player. We're going to get in there and fire it up and try that 8-track out while we're at it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The car is going to come with a car cover, a few miscellaneous things. There's a little safety light, kind of like a safety flare, but only a safety light. It takes batteries. Some Felpro gaskets. I will put those back in the car. That's how we received it in. So we'll put those back in the trunk. And check out the still pictures of the trunk. Sounds crazy, but check it out. Check out the undersides. Very clean, solid car. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's where you can check out those still pictures up and down the driver's side. I did notice one little spot over here. We'll show you where it had been touched up a tad, if you can see it. Right underneath here, a little bit of a spot there. FYI, that's a reflection, that little leaf off the floor. That's not a spot. So it gives you an idea. The paint does have a nice luster to it. Gauges work, horn works, wipers work. Let's go ahead and check out that interior. Here's the original door panels, carpeting, and as you can see, the seats not really showing much for wear. Of course, you would have the extra belts here because of your shoulder harness, so you'd have your lap belt and your shoulder harness. Headliner looks good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See how that 400 sounds. They're believed to be original miles in 83,763. I'd completely believe it on this car. Unfortunately, the miles do not stay in a title after the car becomes a certain age. It is marked exempt. There's that 400 fired right up. All right, so see the AM FM radio is working. So let's go ahead and try out that 8-track. How about that? This little Pontiac 8-track tape that would have came with the car. Click it out and radio off. All right, even automatic temperature control or climate control as it's known now. And again, click that down, go up to bi-level, and you have ice cold air in here. Check out the rest of the dash. You can tell this car is stored indoors. Dash is not weather checked, faded, sun baked, anything like that. Now click that AC off. It will chill you out. All right, slip around to the back. Can you imagine how this car goes down the road? It's got to be a smooth ride, that is for sure. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let me get this hood open. Let's check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
This hood liner, it looks like the original hood liner too. Man, considering 1972 model here, that is clean. All right, there you go. There's that 400. Power steering, power brakes, AC. And like I've said a couple times now, AC does blow cold. I did turn it off. That's why you don't see the clutch engaged on the compressor. But nice stock looking engine bay. Ready to roll. Don't be afraid to get in this car, drive it this afternoon, and head wherever you want it to. 1972 Pontiac Catalina 2-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it or email.